Hopeful. Anong song yan? Rhapsody. Actually, AKB48 siya, pas yan, JKT48 siya. Tama ba? Yeah. Yes. Okay. No! Wait lang. I said something wrong. No. Wait. I'm gonna research. Sorry guys, ano kasi ako pag hindi ako nag-research, naiinis ako sa sarili ko. One more time. Hi Is! Love you guys. Gab! Hi Emmanuel, Kuya Emmanuel. Hi Prince, thank you. Carlito, hi Vincent. So, Rhapsody is the first original A-side song and the third original song ni-release ni JKT48. Di ba? Kuya hello po. Hi, Balot Penoy, Chicharong Toot. Hi, Carlito. Thank you so much again. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna sing Rhapsody. Kiluhat at tayang besinan. Hi, Kuya Mark Zafir. Iketua bola matamu. Hi, Kuya Arman. Hi, Vincent. Kabuat malam gelap kini jadi penuh cahaya. Terang kilau persona. Kasih andayanganku bersuara, dia akan bernyanyi. Rhapsody indah yang akan bermuara di fajar hati. Kelingking kita berjanji, jari manis jadi saksi bahagia. Hingga sang bumi ingin berputar lagi. Kau buat aku sempurna saat kau berkata iya. Kau izinkan aku berlaga mengarungi dunia di sisimu selamanya. Kasih andayanganku bersuara, dia akan bernyanyi. Rhapsody indah yang akan bermuara di fajar hati. Kelingking kita berjanji, jari manis jadi saksi bahagia. Hingga sang bumi tak berputar lagi. There, that was Rhapsody. I mean, Kuya Dragon, thank you po. Thank you, Tashiko. Hi, Riz. Hello, guys. Ayan, sige. Hi, Kuya Dragon. How are you? Okay. We're gonna do River. So, people are... Hi, Aga. Everyone's requesting for River. So, we're gonna do River. Ba't ako Guys, am I lagging? Let me know, ah. Parang ako naglalag. I think I'm lagging. Am I lagging? Okay, we're gonna do River. Thank you, Johan. Thank you, guys. I think I'm lagging. Parang ang laggish ko. Di naman. Oh, thank you, Sherilyn. Okay. Let's go. Diretsong pasulong. Tawid ng ilog. Wow, 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 wow. Ang pangarap kong kailan malayo man kong tignan, tila parang halos hindi ko maabot. Pato sa iyong paanan, pumili ka mag-isa, itapon gamit ang buong lakas mo. At sa harap na iyong mga mata, ilog na umaagos, malawak na ilog, kahit madilim na lalim, kahit malakas ang agos. Di kailangang matakot, kahit pa mahiwalay, mayroong pampanglandag habang paspag. Tiwala ano sa sarili mo. Thank you, Hanya. Thank you guys so much. By the way, there's a treasure box right here. You guys, check it out. May free coins dyan. At sa kadiliman, tutukan ang landas, pagkalilingon. Po, 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 po. Sa iyong pag-abot ng tulong, nandun ang ating bukas. Magsusuko sa bagay na di pa kaya. Ang putong iyong itinapon, pangarap ay matupad, at hindi kailangan man mabigo. Sa loob ng iyong puso ay may umaagos na ilog. Maraming pagsubok, di man umayon sa plano, minsan ika'y halos malunod. Tatayo at muling susubok, wag kang susuko, mayroong pampanglandag habang palay, iyong mararating. Yan, sorry, I wasn't able to sing it well in the end. Hindi ko pa siya, nalilito pa ako on how to put the stress. 180 tayo! Oh my gosh, hello everyone! Welcome to my live stream po. Bakit ako SpongeBob pero sa kabila live is ang cute SpongeBob? Sige. I'm gonna sing one SpongeBob song kasi childhood ko din yan. Thank you, Eda. Thank you sa heart me. Thank you guys for following. Hello everyone. Okay, di po ako lilingon. Walang lilingon, Chares. Hi Vincent. Thank you Jeremy for posting. Hi Carlos. Thank you po. Kuya Andre. Thank you maraming salamat. Okay, we're gonna do SpongeBob SquarePants kasi, guys, this is so cute. It's SpongeBob characters. Patrick Star, a heart, and then SpongeBob. Hi Neko. Papa G-Shish. Andre, thank you po Kuya Andre. Thank you Gerald. Maraming salamat po. Hello everyone, guys. There's a treasure box right here. You guys can check out the coins and you guys can try to chip in here if you want to. But anyways, everything is fine and I'm happy. So, thank you guys so much. Once again, I'm Yulin Patanya, but you guys can call me ML48 Vida. Your idol starting and ending your day with a smile. So, I hope you guys are happy right now. Hi, ako sige. Thank you, Robbie. Thank you, Ralph. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Okay, we're gonna do SpongeBob. Kasi, look at the icons here, SpongeBob. Thank you, Rishin. Thank you, Hannah. Thank you. We're gonna do that. Ayan, oh, cute. Papa G-Shish. Olo, Juwon. Hi, Reese's Puffs. Ate Shannon, thank you. Ang cute, SpongeBob. Oh my gosh, ang cute. Okay, we're gonna do that. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants, absorbent in yellow and porous is he. SpongeBob SquarePants, if nautical nonsense be something you wish, then drop on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Oo nga pala, hindi nga pala tayo. Hanggang dito na lang ako, nangangarap mapasayo. Hindi sinasadya, hanapin ang lugar ko. Asan nga ba ako? Nangangarap mapasayo. Nahihilo, nalilito. Asan ba ko sa'yo? Aasa ba ko sa'yo? SpongeBob SquarePants. Sorry, natawa ako. Kuya J, thank you! Hanya, thank you, Papa J. Guys, iyak na din ako. SpongeBob SpongeBob naging migraine. Ay, kuya, not interested. Sorry. Kailangan nga eh. Sige, tayo? I see the light. I see the light tangled. Tangled! Thank you, Papa J. Thank you, Hanyang. Guys, may treasure box na naman tayo. Sobrang, it's giving SpongeBob talaga. Di ba may treasure box din doon? Si Krabby Patty. Narn. Thank you. Guys, nakikita talaga. Ngayon lang ako mang-uutos na mag-double tap kayo. Kasi ang cute nung SpongeBob tsaka Patrick. Chares! Thank you, guys. Oh, cute! SpongeBob SquarePants! Chares! Ate Marge, thank you. Guys, by the way, may flash mob pala. So, bukas, kita-kits tayo. Squidwards.
Ano ba yan? Parang iba na lang. Grabe naman kayo sa akin.
Alam mo yung mga dub? Wala akong miss yun. Yung paggising mo, yun pa lang. Tapos paggising nyo, maliban sa SpongeBob, ito yung maririnig nyo na kanta. Ito Bawat bata may tanong, ba't ganito, ba't ganon? Hayaan mo sana isipan sa science o agham. Tayo na sa siniskwela, tuklasin natin ang siyensya. Buksan ang pag-iisip, tayo'y likas na scientist. Tayo na sa siniskwela, tuklasin natin ang siyensya. Kinabukasan ng ating bayan, siguradong makakamtan. Nakakamiss. Tapos biglang SpongeBob SquarePants, diba? Like, good old times. Tapos may mix sa umaga. Pinag-ready. Tapos thank you, Kuya Arman. Hi, Kuya Sos! Note kayo Note kayo bukas sa amin. Chares! Lalo na kapag suspended. Alam niyo yung feeling na tawag doon? Suspended, tapos ginising na kayo ng magulang nyo, tapos kumakain na kayo ng thank you! Hanya, thank you! Kumakain na kayo ng almusal, tapos biglang, suspended na pala, tapos parang masarap pa rin yung tulog nyo. Nakakamiss yung ganong times. Hanapin. Ako yung hahanap sa inyo, guys, bukas. Chares. Na para bang Pokemon Go. Alam niyo na, yun yung signal. Ang signal ko is cherries. Diba? Cherries. Ganun. Sige. Ano ba bang Tsaka yung ano, itong kanta na to. Itong kanta na to, oh my gosh. Hi, Sap. Thank you. Robbie, J-Ray. Oh, cute talaga. SpongeBob, Chewy, thank you. Ito. Feeling ko alam niyo din to. Ito yung, syempre, nasa Saudi ako, diba? Pero at the same time, ganito pa rin yung, walang siniskwela doon. Walang siniskwela. Pero merong umagang kay ganda. And, ika na. Bakit limutin ang problema? Hihintayin ang umaga. Magpahinga. Panaginip ay kaliligaya. Darating din ng umaga. Basta tayo'y magkasama. Laging merong umaga kay ganda. Pagsikat ng araw ay dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Haharapin natin. Hi, Kuya Angelo! Nako, miss! Haharapin natin. Haharapin natin. Alam niyo yung feeling na ano, nakakamiss siya, nostalgic siya. Tapos, hi, Mikyo. Tigahan niyang. Tapos, alam niyo yung parang may baon kayo, maliit lang siya, tapos chicken nuggets, or di kaya chicken tocino, tapos may fried egg. Tapos pagbabaon pa kayo ng mother nyo ng sandwich, tapos may orange juice. Naiiyak ako, ewan ko. Sobrang malapit talaga ako sa parents ko. Namimiss ko yun. Very nostalgic person ako, kaya ayun. Alam niyo na. Ayun. Wala, nakakatuwa lang. Pang-RK yung baon. Pang-RK ba? Grabe na yung pang-RK. Hindi naman. Hindi ako, guys. Kung alam nyo lang, no. No. Hindi po ako RK, guys. Hansel lang sa akin. Wala nga Hansel. Ano yung sa amin? Wala kasi Hansel dun eh. Hindi ko rin malaman. Nalimutan ko na. Richie, thank you. Robbie, Ralph, play safe. Thank you po. Ayun, parang nakakamiss yung times. Ano ba yung mga kanta ng Marie? Grabe yung Marie. Oh my gosh, ang sarap din nun. Yun yung una sa mga biskwit na nalasahan ko dito nung unang bakasyon ko dito. Lagi ko baon na pera, 20 pesos. Doon kasi guys, parang ang laki ng laki ng currency doon. So, 10 real doon is 100 ba? 140? Bayani. Ay! Eto. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko alam niyo din to. Bayani. Ano yung bayani? Hi, Kuya Sos. Ano yung bayani? Ito din, oh. Ito naman, di ba, gumagawa kayo ng homework. Tapos parang gabing-gabi na. Alam niyo yung nagpupuyat na kayo kung naririnig niyo na to. Isang ugat, isang dugo. Hindi ko na alam kung paano. Isang bandila. Bandila. Diba? Parang nostalgic niya. Parang, oh my gosh, guys, kailangan ko na matulog. Papagalitan na ako ng parents ko. Ganon. Yung news, yun. Bayani, yun ata yun eh. Hi, Dawi. Nakakamiss. Oh my gosh. Shopping. Ano yung shopping? Ano yan, guys? Hindi ko na parang, mas, TFC doon. Hindi siya ABS. Thank you, Kuya Jay. Thank you, Dinosaur. Guys, mahilig talaga ako sa SpongeBob. Grabe na kayo, Pinapasaya niyo ako ngayon. Isabel! Ito din, ilang Filipino channel. Nung ano kasi guys, a little bit of a background. Yung mga panganak lang sa akin, nung mga hanggang 2010, TFC lang meron doon, walang GMA, walang TV5, walang yung mga ganon. So, nung nandito ako, na-appreciate ko yung mga teleserye ng iba't ibang shows. Tapos, noong mga 2015, 2016 noon, nagkaroon na ng Karamiya. Talagang, guys, habang nag-aaral ako, nanonood ako ng Karamiya, yung mga ganon. So, mas TFC ako. Tapos, yun, parang natuwa lang ako na kahit pa paano na nagkaroon ako ng glimpse ng kultura ko. Ayan, Karamiya. Yes, guys! Chares! Andito pala si Lina sa likod. Chares! Yun, yung mga ganun. Zero Limits, thank you po. So, yun, para mas nasubaybayan ko yung PBB. Yan, of course, Showtime. Kaya nga nakakita ko MNL48 dati. Subaybayan ko siya dati. Yun. Sige, gawin natin yung Pinoy Ako. Speaking of PBB. Diba? Hi, Hans! Thank you! Lahat ay mayroong pagkakaiba. Sa tingin pa lang ay makikita na iba't ibang kagustuhan, ngunit isang patutunguhan. Gabay at pagmamahal ang hanap ko, pagbibigay ng halaga sa'yo. Nais mong ipagkilala sino ka man talaga. Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, wag kang matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Diba? Ano ba ang commercial songs? Ay, ang alam ko lang na commercial song, kung usapang song, sobrang oldies, gabi yung, ano yan? Anong commercial yun? Hi, Justin! Sumusunod sa galaw mo, sumusunod sa galaw mo, na 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 Kim Caramel, sweet linamnam, sweet linamnam, sweet linamnam. Yun, mga ganun. Pero parang 2020 na ata yun. Yung Jollibee, guys, nung unang bakasyon ko dito, nakaranas ako ng, yung very, very nostalgic na Jollibee. Yung upuan na pabilog. Yung ganun yung upuan nila. Namiss ko yun, grabe. Wala lang. Namimiss ko lang. Kasi, gawin natin to. Tangled, I see the lights. Inom muna akong tubig, guys, kasi congested ako ngayon, kung pansin nyo. Di ako makahinga. Hi, Kel! Okay. We're gonna do I See the Light by Tangled. Grabe kay Max Relapse dito reminiscing. Hi, Nate. Wala lang. Nakakamiss lang yung old times talaga kasi. Okay. We're gonna do I See the Light by Tangled. Ay! Ba't ganun? So, yeah, go. Nagulat ako so all those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Now I'm here, blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see, standing here. It's so clear, I'm free, and at last I see the light. It's like the fog has lifted, and at last I see the light. It's like the sky is new, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted all at once. Everything looks different. Sako to kasi alam nyo na magkikita-kita tayo bukas. Sino mga magpupunta? Taas ang kamay. At walang kikilos na masama. Kung ayaw nyo, isa sa inyo ang tumuba at isa sa inyo ang chares. Nag-rap bigla. Sige, we're gonna do breathless. May line up na ba? Hindi ako makapagsalita. Hindi carry. Hindi pwede. Oh, by the way. Sige. Kuya Jay, kablaaw. Kumusta ka? Naimbag asardam. Tama ba? O, di ba? Bigla nag-Ilocano ang random. Siyak ni Vida. Siyak ni ML48 Vida. Ano yating naggan mo? Tama ba? Tama, Ilocano yun. O, di ba? Ang galing ko talaga. Charis. Sige, gawin natin breathless. By the course. Let's go. Sorry. Random pa lang, random. Pero I hope I said it right though. Go on, leave me breathless. Come on. Hi, Mikil. Thank you sa heartbeat. Oh, yeah. The daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie from you. I cannot die, and I'm losing a will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tell me, tease me till I can't deny this loving feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. Oh, yeah. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream. Hi, Yona, from though I'm not asleep. And I never wanna wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Something tease me till I can't deny this loving feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. Yay! That was Breathless by The Course. Sige, next. Yes, mahilig ako mag-karaoke. Thank you, Sab. Mahilig ako mag-karaoke kung alam niyo lang, guys. Yun na yung bonding natin next time. Charis! Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Palison. Thank you, Sab. Sige, sige. Hello. Hello, everyone. So, next tayo. Ikaw nga, South Border. Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my live stream. My name is ML48 Rita. Yan, sige, 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 sige. So, good night. Good night na din, actually. Pero, gusto ko lang din na pampatulog para sa inyo. Sige. Magpapatulog ako ngayon. Chill na tayo, guys. Wag na tayo masyadong reserve the energy for tomorrow. Hi, Ikun. Hi, Hans. Hello, hello, hello. Ikaw nga, by South Border. Nais kong ipagtapat sa'yo. Sana'y tingin mo ang lihim ng pusong ito. Kahit na tayo magkabilang mundo. Ikaw nga ang siyang harap-harap kay tagal na ako'y nangarap. Lumuluhod, nakikiusap na ako'y mahalin. O sinta, ikaw nga ang siyang nagbabago sa akin, sa aking buhay. Handang iwanan ang lahat para lang sa'yo, sinta. Hi, Alison. Thank you for following. Hi, Sana. Thank you for following, Alison. Hi, Strawberry. Hi, Bins. Hello. Okay. Sige. Next tayo, biyahe. Cherry wine. Hello. Hi, Makoto. Alipin. Sige, sige. Yan, sige. Chill music tayo. If may mga request kayo, we're gonna do it chill, pampatulog lang. Yan. Sige, we're gonna do Biyahe by J. Roa. Hi, Rochelle! Hello, everyone. Welcome to my live stream, guys. I'm ML48 Rita. Let's go. Bibingka. Uy, sakto sa holidays. Sige, let's go. natin ng mundo. Wala nang iba, ikaw lang at ako. Handa kong ibigay ang buo. Ang puso ko'y sa'yo lang talaga, kaya humawak sa aking kamay. Handang ibigay ang lahat na naisip mo para sa atin palalakbay. Ang iyong kamay sa akin ibigay, hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta. Ang biyahe natin dalawa, oh, 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 oh. Dating dalawa. Yan. Thank you, Vince. Hi, Kuya Adrian. Bibingka. Okay, we're gonna put that as well. Ano mo tayo? Alipin, tas bibingka. Ang cute naman ng mga requests nyo. Katuwa. Very chill. Ito yung mga nare-request sa akin dati. And naalala ko lang yung dati. So, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, JC. Thank you, I mean. So, yeah. Let's go. Alas 12 by Cup of Joe, hindi po. Nagbabuzz fret siya. So, yeah. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aaminin ko minsan ako'y manhid. Sana ay iyong naririnig sa iyong yakap. Ako'y nasasabik pagkat ikaw lang ang nais makatabi. Malamig man o mainit ang gabi, nais ko sana iparating na ikaw lamang ang siyang aking iibigin. 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 Okay. Next one is Bibingka by Ben and Ben. So, sa mga favorite ng bibingka dyan, I think di ko pa natatry ang bibingka, guys. Rila. Ano ba yung tsura ng bibingka ulit? Wait lang. Ano ba yung tsura ng bibingka? Bibingka. Ayan, di ko pa natatry ang bibingka, guys. Ayan! Thank you, Ivy! Yan! Ang cute nyo! Nagsasad kayo ng tsura ng bibingka. Di ko pa natatry bibingka, guys. Parang bibingka po, eh. Ang bibingka ay parang pagkain. Chares! Pagkain naman talaga yun, huh? Sige, gawin natin bibingka by Ben and Ben. Let's go? Let's go. So, sa mga nagsa-celebrate dyan ng Christmas, Merry Christmas sa inyo, guys. So, yan. Happy holidays natin. Malapit na. In next 2 weeks. 2 weeks na ba? Or next week na? Simbang gabi na naman, tayo'y gising na, patulog pa lang ang buwan. Ang simoy ng hangin, dahan-dahan na humahaplos sa mukha ng bawat tao. Umabagsak-bagsak pa ang mata. Dahan-dahang kumislap ang mga ilaw ng tumatandang simbahan, kung saan magkasama tayo nagdasal at nakinig sa misa de Gallo. Pagdating ng aman amin, ang oras suminto ng magkahawak. Ang ating mga kamay, humawing mga ulap, at sabay nagsiawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At nang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit, kay ganda ng harana ng tinig na sumasabay sa ihip ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Yay! That was Bibingka. Oh, thank you sa Bibingka. Hi, Chin. Thank you. Crazier. Okay po, Saf. Got you. Thank you, guys. Crazier, Taylor Swift. Okay. Panalangin. Okay po. Got you, guys. Sige, chill tayo hanggang mag 12 a.m. Crazier. Let's go. This is Crazier. Pwede na ulit magpa-request ng fan covers? GC? FCGC? Vida? Ano yun, Rashin? FCGC? Fan covers? Sa GC? Yun ba? Yes! Pre-request! Yes! Sa fan club GC. FCGC, huh? Yes! Guys, pwede tayo request ng covers, guys. Don't worry. So, ayan. Starting from now on, pre-request tayo. Yun. Siguro, ang sistema niya, kasi minsan 2 to 3 hours ako nagsisteam. Ang pwedeng mangyari ay, siguro in a span of, may cut-off siya. So, siguro mga 15 to 20 songs. So, yun. Sama ko. Yes, guys, mayroon pong GC sa Rainbow app. Sa camera na Rainbow app. So, you guys can check that out. Si Rishin, ayan, isa sa admins. Very, very matalik ko na admin. So, yan. You guys can contact them. Oo and fix you. Okay. Oo, fix you. Oo, fix you. Oo, fix you. Oo. Now, we're gonna do Crazier by Taylor Swift. Let's go. Hi, Jips. Thank you. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Feeling ko hindi siya tunog buo kasi yung sa dampener ko. Wait lang, ha. Tanggalin ko tong dampener ko. Yan. Feeling ko mas okay siya, mas buo siya. Kaya kanina may narinig ako parang yun nagbabuzz. Let's go. Oh, yun na. Let's go. Yun! Just let it flow. Let it take me where it wants to go. till you open the door. There's so much more. I've never seen it before. I was trying to fly, but I couldn't find wings. But you came along and you changed everything. You lift my feet off the ground. Hi, Ate Bray! Congrats po! You make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling and I'm lost in your eyes. You make me crazier, crazier, crazier. I watch from distance as you made life your own. Every sky was your own kind of blue, and I wanted to know how good that feel. And you made it so real. You showed me something that I couldn't see. Hi, Gail. Pwede ma-in love. Ang masasabi ko lang, I love you guys. I love you all, Emin loves. Because you lift my feet off the ground. You spin me around. You make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling and I'm lost in your eyes. You make me crazier, crazier, crazier. Oh. You make me crazier, crazier. Yan, that was crazier. Okay. Okay, next. Panalangin tayo. Apo Hiking Society. Nail check, guys. Buong buo pa siya. Amazing. Hindi siya nagpupudpod. Wait, I'm gonna show a little bit of light. Ay. Galing, oh. Anyway. You and I. Sige. JRA. Sige. After that one. After panalangin. Yang? Okay po. Sure. You and I and Yang. Sige. You and I, JRA. You and I, JRA. Yang. Sige, mag-TANGA tayo. Cute ng kanta eh. Sige, panalangin. Let's go. Yung likod ko. Sumasakit siya. Kasi may guys, palagi ako nakaslouch pag gigitara. So, minsan, ano siya, medyo nangangalay ako. Oh, yeah, yung, oo. Okay, Vince, after this one is oo. I'm sorry. Let's go. This is Panalangin, Apo Hiking Society. Sa habang buhay. Taas. Thank you, Chen Cervantes. Yan. Ang baba. Sige. Let's go. Nagawa ko na eh. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin. Hi, Jamesy. Wala nang iba pang mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana nama'y makikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita. Hi, Jen! May nalala kong kanta. Ito ang baba din na itong kanta na to. Ano yun? Paano kanta yun? Anong kanta yun? Wait lang. Ito. Bakit pa nagpapaakit sa bawat likha mong tinig? Na naman kasiguraduhan, meron ba akong kalalagyan sa magulo mong damdamin? Di alam kung para sa'kin ba ang iyong nararamdaman. Kailan mo balak na punaan? Ba't lang lumalalim kada hakbang palapit sa Java? Walang malinaw na sagot, parang palaisipan. Hulaan ng kalaban-laban, di ka mailagan. Gusto mo lang bago sa tuwing ika'y nag-iisa. Hulaan, diba? Very, very cute song. Sige. This is... thank you, Mewell. Okay, we're gonna do up, dharma, down. Yes, dito talaga yung... I don't know. One of my favorite genres din talaga. So, yeah. Okay. We're gonna do but by up, dharma, down. Let's go. Hi, 103! Ate Shannon, sa po. Si ML48 Vida, and for tonight, kumakanta lang ako, kinakantaan ko lang kayo para makatulog kayo. This is by up, dharma, down. Di mo lang alam, naiisip kita. Pagkasakali lang maisip mo ako, hindi mo lang alam. Hanggang sa gabi, inaasam makita kang muli. Nagtapos ang lahat sa hindi inaasahang panahon, at ngayon ako'y iyong iniwan. Luhaan, sugatan, di mapakinabangan. Sana natanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Sana natanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Ako yung nasaktan. Pagkasakali lang maisip mo naman, hindi mo lang alam. Kahit tagal lang panahon, ako'y nandito pa rin hanggang ngayon para sa'yo. Lumipas mga araw na ubod ng saya, di pa rin nagbabago ang aking pagsinta. Kung ako'y nagkasala, patawan na sana Sakali lang maisip mo naman, puro siya na lang. Sana ako naman di mo lang alam, ika'y minamastan. Sana yung malayang hindi mo lang pala alam. Wow, malas mo, ikaw ang natipuan ko. Di mo lang alam, ako yung nasaktan. Thank you, Hydrax. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Jen. And that was... Oo. Thank you, Toshiko. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Toshiko. Thank you, Ate Shannon. Thank you, Jen. Okay. Next, we're gonna do Tanga by Yang. Paasa Tanga. Thank you guys so much. Next song on the radio. Oh, thank you! Sino nag-send? Oh, thank you ng SpongeBob! Thank you po! Thank you! Thank you, Toshiko! Rishin, Chen, Ate Shannon, thank you guys. Let's go. This is Tanga by Yang Constantino. Hi, Rens. Akala ko, ayun na. Pero nakita ko kahapon may pinost kang iba. May kasama kang maganda. Ang sabi mo sa akin, kaibigan mo lang siya. Ang hirap palang maging Tanga. Ang hirap palang maging Tanga. Pinapaasa mo lang ako kasi alam ko na crush kita. Oo, na crush kita. Pamihira o dati pa. Nagtatanong-tanong ka pa kung sino yung nasa Facebook status ko. Hoy, tungkol yan sa'yo. Yung sana ako na lang ang girlfriend mo. Sana ako na lang ang girlfriend mo. Chares! Ako na lang ang girlfriend mo. Yan! Jen, thank you po, Ate Jen. Is this Ate Jen? Yeah, Ate Jen, thank you so much. Thank you, Hans! Next tayo, You and I by JRA, tapos Fix You. Last song ko na yung Fix You. Ay, sige, may nag-request pa, ako na lang. Okay. Ako na lang. Sana. Okay. This one is by Chance, You and I. You and I could be like... Sino nagbigay ng treasure box? Guys, may treasure box po dito. You guys, thank you, Hydrax! Guys, you guys can chip in a coin if you guys want to. Thank you, Ralph, Robbie, Kel, and Sav, Rishin. Thank you guys to SpongeBob SquarePants. Charis. Okay, we're gonna do by Chance, You and I, JRA. Thank you, Kyra. Oh, is this Kyra? Hi, Kyra. Thank you. Thank you. Kamusta ka na? Hi, Rishin. Thank you. Okay, this is You and I. Thank you, Ralph. Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some kimchi. cucumbers fly. And did I say that? I don't know why, but you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we can act like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal to? This is so based on a lucky chance that you would rather add and subtract. Hi, Rin. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and Marissa. You and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 Hi, Opalison, thank you. Thank you, guys. Toshiko, thank you. Thank you so much. Next. Okay. Last two songs, Ako Na Lang, Sana, Ako Na Lang, and Fix You. Okay? This is Ako Na Lang by Zia Kizon. Wait lang. I'll just drink my tumbler. Tumbler, may water. Tumbler. Ay. Okay. Thank you, Toshiko. Grabe. Ano yung ko, barado yung ilong ko. Sige. This is Ako Na Lang by Zia Kizon. Thank you, Hans. SpongeBob SquarePants. Sige na nga. This is Ako Na Lang. Go. Awake, di ko pa siya alam. I'm sorry. Thank you, Hans. 1, 2, 3. Nagkahanap pa na maaaya, pagkasadyang wala kang magawa. Nagsasayang ng bawat oras sa wala. Hala, na-search mo ng lahat sa internet. Naubos na ang load sa kaka-text. Naghihintay ka lang na may magkukulit ulit. What are you waiting for? Call my number, knock on my door. Nandito lang ako. How I wish you let me know. Kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Ako na lang. Sana tayo na lang. Diba? Sana nalaman mo wala. Ako na lang. Sana. Oh. Thank you, Toshiko. Thank you, Toshiko. Sakto. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Toshiko. Thank you po. Last song na ako, guys. Magla-last song na po. ASMR. Sige, soon. Soon. Sige. Thank you po, Toshiko. Last song, guys. I really decided na gawin tong last song. Siguro just to set this as a reminder that lights will guide us home. And I hope everyone is okay. ASMR na may Q&A. Sige, soon. So, I just wanna... Hi, thank you, Hawkins. Hi, champ. I just wanna set this moment to thank you all so much for always being here, despite, you know, you guys having your own lives, personal lives, and still we get to set this avenue, this platform for, you know, a safe space. And I just want to thank you all so much. I know na hindi lahat okay ngayon. Hindi ko pa kayo, you know, kilala in a very deeper sense, but if ever man hindi kayo okay, I hope this song will somehow comfort or ease you guys. This is Fix You by Coldplay. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired that you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. Thank you, Papa Jishish. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Upside Down for the rose. I hope you guys find a way to make things easier. And I hope 2026 will be an easier year for us. And the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High up above or down below. Thank you, Tashika. When you're doing love to let it go. But if you never try, you'll never know just what you were. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. I hope you guys get reminded that things will fall into place. Tears stream down you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face, and tears stream down your face. I will hold you and learn from my mistakes. Tears stream down your face, and lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. Thank you, Ate Marge! Dabidibidip-dip, thank you po. Okay. Ano pa bang, eto. May isa pa akong alam na kanta. Ay, but guys, thank you, Hannah. Love you guys. Sana in any way, shape, or form, kaming girls, we get to like, make you guys feel uplifted. Alam kong, we don't know if gaano kalaki yung part namin sa buhay nyo. Like, alam namin, like, you guys, you know, Emin loves, right? Pero I know that you guys have very, very big love for us. Pero of course, in some way, meron tayong mga bagay na parang, you know, how do I say it? We're a fragment of your life lang. We're just a puzzle piece of your life. And we don't know how long we'll be able to have this bond together unless we really get to know, like, palayo sa mundo. Grabe naman. Unless we get to, like, know each other in a very, very, you know, personal level na. But yun, parang, during the times that I'm an idol, I hope I get to inspire you guys, make you guys happy, give you that spark, be that fuel to add to the fire of you guys chasing your dreams. So ayun, kasi how do I say it? It's life. We only have one life and we don't know how long everything will go. So I just wanna say that, you know, thank you all so much. Hindi lang sa MN Loves, hindi lang sa We The Best Mas, hindi lang sa We The Best Mas, pati na rin sa mga before me becoming an idol. Ang daming dumaan na tao. And yun, even if hindi man na sila nakakapanood, hi Kuya Jem, hindi man sila nakakapanood, hindi man, you know, things change din kasi. Hindi man nakakapanood or things change. I'm still grateful, you know. You guys, dumaan kayo sa buhay ko and I'm thankful na dumaan nga kayo kasi nakilala ko kayo. So, maraming salamat. Yan. Sige. Last song tayo. Siguro, Magda Frey tayo kasi kaka-concert lang nila. So yan. So yeah. This is my last song. Baba. Someone you say we need to talk. Baba. One more time. Someone you say we need to talk. He walks. You say sit down it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. Okay, I think this one will work. This key will do. Stop one, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right. As he goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Let him know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you've told him all along. Pray to God he hears you. I pray to God he hears you, baby. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in a bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Save a life. Hi, Kuya Arsha, Rico, thank you. Hanya, thank you. How to save a life. Oh, that song. Maraming salamat guys sa pagmamahal nyo. Kailan ka po sasali? Hi, Black Mamba. Thank you po. ML48 member po ako. So, yan po. Ayan. Maraming salamat. 100k likes. Grabe, lakas nyo. Thank you all so much. I hope that was a lesson or two, or that was a motivation or two for you guys. I'm so grateful to have you all. Ayan, gusto ko lang pasalamatan kayo. Sobrang natutuwa ako kasi ayan, you guys are here watching, and anong oras na, diba? So maraming salamat po guys. Hannah, thank you so much. Ayan, I do hope guys that more will come pa for us all, and magkikita-kita tayo bukas sa flash mob. Yes po, sa SM North EDSA, the block, 3 p.m. onwards. Hanapin niyo ako, hahanapin ko din kayo. Ang signal natin ay cherries. Yan. And apart from that, guys, madami pa pong social media platforms. You guys can check out ML48 Vida. Hi, Baba, check. Ka-group mo si Frances. Si Ate Frances. Former ML48 Frances po. Na po siya. Nag-graduate na po. Again. And, pero supportan natin siya. Kasi nasa po siya, SHA trainees. Ayan. Sa Star Hunt Academy trainees. Christine, hello po. Ayan. So, maraming salamat guys. Again, I did not expect na madami kayong magbigay ng pagmamahal tonight. Thank you. Toshiko, thank you. Hanyang, Shannon, Chewy, Ralph, Miwell, Sav, Prishin, Papa G-Shish, Sherilyn, Kuya Draken, Robbie, Ate Shannon again, Olajuwon, Kuya Jem, Kel, Dabidi-Bidip-Dip, Emil, Rico, Senna, Kuya Adrian, Aislan. Thank you guys. Let's just keep things the way it is. Let's just stay happy all the time. If not happy all the time, let's remind each other to show up lang every single day. Kahit mabigat na lately. So, yan. Ainslan, love you. Love you guys. Love you, love you. Thanks, I love you so much. Love you all. Thank you, Papa Gigi, sa I'm ready. So, again, I'm your idol starting, and I hope I ended your day with a smile or something na nag-spark sa inyo. So, yan. I'm ML48 Vida, and maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po, and love you guys. See you all tomorrow. So, yes, turn on your notification bell para alam niyo na yung mga susunod na postings. Bye, guys! Bye, Kuya Rico. Thank you, Anya. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, I mean.